Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. We'd love to get to know you and meet you. Hey, family. Hey, welcome back. Let's get right into it. So we have from CULT GAIA, and this is from Scentbird. If you all know that I have a subscription to Scentbird, and this is the Scent Mask, all right? So let's get into my thoughts on this fragrance, shall we? Yeah, let's. So if you're not new to this channel, you all know how we do. So versatility. Do I think this fragrance is versatile? No, I wouldn't say this fragrance is versatile. And why I say that, let's get right into the occasion. I feel like this is more of a kind of a quick grab and go. Like if maybe you were to do a picnic, that would be cool, but definitely outdoors, running errands type of scent. I would not wear this scent to like a formal event or even an event. I wouldn't even wear this like to a concert. Are y'all going to Usher and Chris Brown concert? I want to go so bad. I hope I get the tickets. I hope I get to go. I hope I get to go. The R&B. I hope I get to go. Anyway, like I wouldn't wear this to like a concert or anything like that. I have sprayed this so that you all can see I have been testing it. You see like there's, yeah. So I wouldn't wear this to that type of setting, but like a picnic, a casual type of setting or venue or something, sure, I would wear it to that. Now, packaging. Now, I've never seen a CULT GAIA fragrance in like person, but the packaging looks kind of cute. It looks different, right? It has like this ball, kind of like a stone looking type of marble at the top. I mean, it looks creative, right? Do I like adore the packaging? No. But am I marrying the packaging? No. I mean, is the scent cool? But the packaging is, it's okay. Not one of my favorite kind of packaging, but it's neat. It's different, which I feel like CULT GAIA and their like purses and different things that I see of them, it's different, right? It's extravagant. It's colors, right? So I'm not surprised the packaging looks different or like this at all. So I think the packaging absolutely matches the aesthetics of CULT GAIA and what that brings. So it's cool. Now, pricing. You can get this fragrance at $228. Now, for a luxury brand, I'm not going to say that's really bad nowadays, right? If we were like back in the day, I'd be like, woo. But I mean, there are fragrances that are at the $400, $500 mark. So like, I mean, this is kind of like mid in pricing, I would say, for a fragrance for a luxury type of brand or a luxury brand type of fragrance. So $228, Now, does this fragrance lean more feminine or masculine? I really think this fragrance is absolutely unisex. I feel like bros, you can get down with this, and I feel like women, you can also. So definitely a unisex fragrance. Now, this fragrance was launched back in 2024. So let's get into the notes. Let's dive deeper into this fragrance. So notes, we have bergamot, orange blossom, coconut. We have vetiver in this. There is some molecule notes, and we have amber and tonka bean. Okay, so let's get into my full thoughts on this fragrance. Now, when trying this on my skin and really kind of testing and going throughout the day with this fragrance is absolutely for those who love a good woody citrus fragrance. And I say that because this highlights the note of coconut in it, where I do get a little tropical scent. The lemon and the woods really stand out more to me and on my skin and my experience in this fragrance. Okay, so if you like a good citrus, a good wood, this is going to be like in your jam, right? If you like, I would even say, throwing it out there, Not to say that this is one and the same, so please don't get me wrong, not one and the same, but if you like a good Dolce & Gabbana, right? But if Dolce & Gabbana, like light blue, okay? But if they have like some more woods thrown onto that lemony citrus type of fragrance, this would be CULT GAIA MAST, right? This gives me that. Now, if you are a woman, and I do have some friends that have said this to me before, is that they love a good kind of like a man woody type of fragrance. They love a good unisex men fragrance. This is going to be your jam, right? If you like to give a little masculine in your fragrance, women, this is all day you. Now, I would say this is not masculine or masculine leaning where it like leaves me like it's off-putting. Like, I wouldn't say this is an off-putting fragrance, but I will say this does give me like man. Like, not manly man, but it gives me like, okay, a wood. Okay, I can see, I could fall in love with a guy wearing this, right? Like, it gives me that, but I could see a woman, dominant woman, a woman like in power, a powerful woman, or a woman that likes that type of kind of masculine leaning fragrance. I can see you also loving this fragrance, okay? For me, is this my jam? At the start of this fragrance, it's my jam. Okay, when I first sprayed this fragrance, it was so good. I was like, okay, this is like very citrusy. You all know how I am about the lemon and the lemon trees, right? Like, you know how I am about citrus fragrances, and I don't always go for a citrus fragrance unless it has a lot of like sugar or kind of vanillas in this. Like, I'm not sure, like raising your hand, yeah, give me lemon. Give me a citrus fragrance. Not all the time. But I was really enjoying it. In the beginning, I was like, yeah, this is it. This is a great citrus. I kind of got the tropical vibe. So it gave me like Maldives feeling, right? It gave me this tropical adventure. But I will say after it kind of sunk into my skin, I got the woods, and it was almost like this sour note. And I don't know if it's the molecule, maybe, I don't know. Maybe it's the coconut. I have no idea, but it dropped into this like soury type of note or fragrance or experience that I was not enjoying the dry down. Okay. So all that to say, opening, yeah. Come and talk to me. I like opening, yeah, great. Dry down, nah. It just didn't work for me on the dry down. So, would I purchase this fragrance? No. I wouldn't purchase this fragrance, but would I ride this fragrance off and say like, don't buy it, don't do it? No, I would absolutely say you need to go to Scentbird, put it in your cart, put it on your subscription, put it in your queue to see if you would even vibe with this. Like, see if you like it, okay? Before you even purchase it. Go in store, if you all have a CULT GAIA store, I don't know, like wherever CULT GAIA exists, see if you can get your nose on this fragrance before purchasing. This would not, by any stretch of the imagination, be a blind buy for your life. It's not. It's not a blind buy for your life. However, when I did pair this fragrance with other fragrance, that dry down wasn't as harsh. It wasn't as big of an impact on me. So I would say maybe try to pair it with something more sweeter, okay? I paired this fragrance with this baby right here, okay? This is the Burberry. I think this is the Her Intense. Listen, this gave me a little strawberry and cream. This together, I said, okay, now we're talking. Now we're talking. Now we're in there. So I would say if you have a sweeter fragrance in your collection and you want to pair this citrus and kind of wood leaning at the end, like to a point, I thought this even had like incense. Like I wouldn't have given that this had tonka bean in it. I would like be I would give this having like an incense-y type of woody, but it's probably that vetiver. You know, me and vetiver, sometimes we go good together and sometimes we ain't talking to each other. However, test it, try it, see if you like it. I mean, I don't know how many people have CULT Gaia fragrances, but I mean, hey, put it in your queue from Scentbird, see if you like it. But if you have experienced this fragrance, let me know your thoughts. Let me know, have you vibe with this? Like what your experience was. Did you enjoy it? Did you not? Let us know in the comments below, sis. All right. Well, until next time, fam, you be good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.